Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to fix the theme missing style.css error. It's a very easy tutorial if you understand every single thing. So let's get started. So there can be a lot of reasons that it can become an error for your theme missing file. And these are the reasons could be like the folder accidentally got deleted or corrupted. Obviously, the uploaded theme file is incompatible with WordPress. The zip file you uploaded might be dedicated to a plugin instead of a theme. So just remember that. And the last one is the theme file is not in the correct location. So we are going to solve all of this. So how we can do that? Sometimes it could be possible that when you are downloading your theme, it can download from, from a marketplace. So let's say you are downloading from Envato Market, and sometimes it could give you Squarespace themes or different platforms themes also, and unintentionally you can download it. So you can just check it out that you have downloaded the right theme or not. Go ahead and recheck that theme again, or you can just go back to your website or any website you are going to download the theme from. Make sure to go for the WordPress themes in the filters menu. So just remember that. Next thing you could do that you can check the theme folder itself. Let's say you have downloaded the right theme, like over here I have Astra, right? So what you can do, just extract that over here, and let's see that we have the file of style.css or not in this. So you can just open it up and you can see that we have that file, but sometimes it can be corrupted. Even though if you have this file and it's not working, what you can do, just go ahead and re-download it. So maybe sometimes in downloading they might have missed some things, so that's why. So right now obviously I have that in style.css, so that might be working right now. The third thing you can check that, like, ensure the style.css file is in the correct location. So you can see over here, this is the directory of Astra and this is where it should be. Sometimes it could be in different folders, so you can just go ahead and look at it if you find this file is not available over here. So you can just go ahead, and sometimes it's end up in admin, so you can just copy that and paste that over here. But it depends on like where are you downloading it from. So right now I'm using Astra, that's why it's on the main page. And sometimes if you download it from somewhere else, so make sure that your style.css file, it should be in the root directory. Like once you open this, you will see that over here. After you ensure all of this, you just need to go back to your WordPress, click on appearance and themes. Once you open themes, it would seem something like this. Obviously, you can see I am using Astra right now. But if you want to install it, just click on add new theme at above. You will end up over here. Just click on upload theme, and you can upload your file over here right away, or you can just drag that over here. So I'm going to upload it from here, as you can see, and make sure you upload your zip file, not the folder you extracted. So just remember that. So just go ahead and click on this one and install it now. And this should be working from now on. Obviously I have done that, so that's why I have already installed it. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to fix theme missing style.css error. I hope you like this video. I hope you follow all those steps and then you will be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.